तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
जय 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 गणनायका, जय जय विघ्न विनाशका।
जय 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 गणनायका, जय जय विघ्न विनाशका।
जय शुभ मंगलदायका, विद्या बुद्धि प्रदायका।
जय शुभ मंगलदायका, विद्या बुद्धि प्रदायका।
गजवदना गौरी नंदन,
गजवदना गौरी नंदन,
गजवदना गौरी नंदन।
गजवदना गौरी नंदन।
गंगाधर शिव शंभो नंदन,
गंगाधर शिव शंभो नंदन।
गंगाधर शिव शंभो नंदन।
गंगाधर शिव शंभो नंदन।
जय 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 गणनायका, जय जय विघ्न विनाशका।
जय 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 गणनायका, जय जय विघ्न विनाशका।
जय शुभ मंगलदायका, विद्या बुद्धि प्रदायका।
जय शुभ मंगलदायका, विद्या बुद्धि प्रदायका।
गजवदना गौरी नंदन,
गजवदना गौरी नंदन।
गजवदना गौरी नंदन।
गजवदना गौरी नंदन।
गंगाधर शिव शंभो नंदन,
गंगाधर शिव शंभो नंदन।
गंगाधर शिव शंभो नंदन।
गंगाधर शिव शंभो नंदन।
जय 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 गणनायका, जय जय विघ्न विनाशका।
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा,
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा।
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा।
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा।
साई ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेशा,
साई ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेशा।
साई ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेशा।
साई ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेशा।
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
अल्लाह भी तुम हो मौला भी तुम हो
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 सौराष्ट्र महावीर यीशु 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 भी तुम हो
राम रहीम हो कृष्ण करीम 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 हो
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
साई ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेशा
साई ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेशा
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
अल्लाह भी तुम हो मौला भी तुम हो
अल्लाह भी तुम हो मौला भी तुम हो
सौराष्ट्र महावीर यीशु भी तुम हो
सौराष्ट्र महावीर यीशु भी तुम हो
राम रहीम हो कृष्ण करीम 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 हो
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनी
दुर्गा दुर्गा देवी दुर्गा भवानी
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 काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनी
दुर्गा दुर्गा देवी दुर्गा भवानी
दुर्गा दुर्गा देवी दुर्गा भवानी
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राज राजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
कपालिनी। सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई।
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा।
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम, साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
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 मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम, साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा।
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई। नंद किशोरा नारायणा,
नंद किशोरा नारायणा,
नंद किशोरा नारायणा, नरहरि रूपा नारायण
नरहरि रूपा नारायण
नाद स्वरूपा नारायण नाद स्वरूपा नारायण नंद किशोरा नारायण साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम
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 शरण में ले लो साई प्रभो
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 साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम
तुम हो मेरे माता पिता साई
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 तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा
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 तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साई
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 दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी
जो हमको शरण तुम्हारी
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी
जो हमको शरण तुम्हारी
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम
शरण में ले लो साई प्रभो
शरण में ले लो साई प्रभो
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम
साई तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम
तुम हो मेरे माता पिता साई
तुम हो मेरे माता पिता साई
तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा
तुम हो मेरे बंधु सखा
तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साई
तुम हो मेरे सब कुछ साई
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी,
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी,
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी,
दीजो हमको शरण तुम्हारी।
साईं तेरे चरणों में कोटि प्रणाम। श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश, श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश, श्रित जन परिपाला साईशा, श्रित जन परिपाला साईशा, श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश, तिरुमल गिरिवासा गोविंदा, तिरुमल गिरिवासा गोविंदा, गरुड़ वाहन गोविंदा गोविंदा, गरुड़ वाहन गोविंदा गोविंदा, गोविंद गोविंद श्रीनिवास गोविंद, गोविंद गोविंद शिरडीवास गोविंद, गोविंद गोविंद पतिवास गोविंद, गोविंद गोविंद पतिवास गोविंद, श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश, श्रित जन परिपाला साईशा, श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश, तिरुमल गिरिवासा गोविंदा, गरुड़ वाहन गोविंदा गोविंदा, गोविंद गोविंद श्रीनिवास गोविंद, गोविंद गोविंद शिरडीवास गोविंद, गोविंद गोविंद पतिवास गोविंद, गोविंद गोविंद श्रीनिवास गोविंद, गोविंद गोविंद श्रीनिवास गोविंद, गोविंद गोविंद पतिवास गोविंद, गोविंद गोविंद पतिवास गोविंद, श्रीनिवास वेंकटेश।
प्रभु रामचंद्र के दूता हनुमंता आंजनेया, हनुमंता 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 आञ्जनेया हनुमन्ता 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 आञ्जनेया हे पवनपुत्र हनुमन्ता बलभीमा आञ्जनेया हे पवनपुत्र हनुमन्ता बलभीमा आञ्जनेया बलभीमा 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 आञ्जनेया बलभीमा 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 आञ्जनेया प्रभु रामचंद्र के दूता हनुमंता आंजनेया हनुमंता 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 आंजनेया हे पवन पुत्र हनुमंता बलभीमा आंजनेया बलभीमा 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 आंजनेया बलभीमा 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 आंजनेया प्रभु रामचंद्र के दूता हनुमंता आंजनेया
अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी मतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मयि अर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः. Translation: Those devotees are very dear to me who are free from malice towards all living beings, who are friendly and compassionate. They are free from attachment to possessions and egotism, equipoised in happiness and distress, and ever forgiving. They are ever content, steadily united with me in devotion, self-controlled, of firm resolve, and dedicated to me in mind and intellect. Sri Krishna expresses the qualities of devotees. And this we can measure in ourselves to check our progress. Because the question that comes up is, how far have I got? Now Lord Krishna is giving you these parameters. See to what extent these virtues have fructified in you. And then you can measure how far have we reached and how long do we still have to go. So also the question arises that by psychedelic drugs, etc., can we achieve spiritual progress? Then see these qualities. Do the psychedelic drugs result in the manifestation of these qualities? If they do, it is a spiritual progress. If not, then it's just an illusion. So the first one he says, Adveshta sarva bhutanam, free from malice towards all living beings. A devotee is one who sees all living beings as the divine soul and as little parts of God. So the devotee keeps good sentiments towards everyone. And if we harbor malice, the consequence will be, the malice will be towards others, but it will bespoil our own heart. Even in the world, in America also, earlier on you would carry your check-in would be free. But now you have to pay for that check-in. At every additional bag you have to pay. So this additional baggage inside us in the form of malice. Right? You may have heard of that children's story. One teacher wanted to teach her children the need to free yourself from malice towards others. She said, she had got a sack full of potatoes and said, okay, think of how many people you hate in this world. So somebody got a list of 2, somebody got a list of 3, 4. She said, depending on the number of people in your hate list, pick up potatoes from here and write the name of the person you hate on the potato. So they wrote the names of their people they had malice towards. She gave them plastic bags and she said, put these potatoes and carry them with you now for the next 1 week. You will not leave them. If you go into the restroom, the potatoes go with you. Wherever you go, you have to carry them. First the children thought it's a good game, but after 3 days the potatoes started putrefying. After 5 days, it was a pretty strong, obnoxious stink. And after 7 days, it had become unbearable. The potato was also looking ugly. And the 7th day, the children thought, end of the potato saga today. The teacher said, just like carrying these potatoes is so obnoxious, likewise, if you carry hatred towards others in your heart, it is equally full of stench. So the devotee realizes, no matter what anybody may have done to me, why should I dirty my heart? If we keep on doing kirtan, he did this to me, she did this to me, then the consequence is that we have allowed that other person to dirty our heart. So it's just a matter of intelligence. Take it as a test. No matter what anybody does, I will not allow them to lower my soul. So the devotee says, free from malice. There's an episode about Mahatma Gandhi. His close associate was Ananda Swami. So Ananda Swami got into a quarrel with the cook Reva Shankar. And Reva Shankar, because he was doing menial work there, So Anand Swami, out of his being furious, he slapped the cook. And Mahatma Gandhi came to know. Mahatma Gandhi said, if the cook was bigger and stronger than you, would you have slapped him? You just taken advantage of the fact that he is a menial worker. Go and apologize to him. And if you cannot have the humility to apologize, then you are not qualified to stay with me. You can leave. This is the nature of saints. So first he said, Adveshta sarva bhutanam. Then he says, Maitra karuna evacha. A devotee is one who harbors compassion and kindness towards all. By nature, that devotee is friendly and helpful towards all others. This is a basic human quality of being friendly and helpful. The anthropologist Margaret Mead, she was asked that you have studied fossils in the earth's crust around the world. How do you determine if there was a civilization that existed in a certain place, or if it was a barbaric society? She said, I always check for broken femur bones. The femur is the thigh bone. If I find in the fossils there was a femur that was broken and then healed, I understand it was a civilized society. Because no creature in the world can survive a broken thigh bone. The moment the thigh bone breaks, they are crippled. They cannot visit the water place. They cannot find food for themselves. They just remain there as prey for the scavengers. But the fact that the femur healed means somebody stopped by, somebody nurtured that person, carried the person to safety and enabled the healing. So the sign of civilization is a little bit of helpful nature towards the others. That manifests more as the heart gets purified. To be courteous and polite is again a basic human nature. Maharana Pratap was a great warrior king, Rajput king. He was walking in his kingdom. He was the one who kept away the invaders for 17 years, the Mughal invaders, until he finally lost. So he was walking in his kingdom when a beggar folded his hands and did namaste. So Maharana Pratap also folded his hands and bowed his head and did namaste to the beggar. His secretary asked him, "You are bowing down before a beggar?" Maharana Pratap said, "I don't want people to think that I don't even possess the courtesy that a beggar possesses. If he can bow down before me, I should have at least that much of courtesy myself." So to be courteous and kind towards everyone. And the saintly nature goes even beyond that. Maharana Pratap was a warrior king. A saint was Ekanath. Look at his kindness towards a donkey. So he was going for pilgrimage to Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram is at the southernmost tip of India. And there's a tradition that when you go to Rameshwaram to have darshan of Lord Shiv in the form of the Shivling, you carry Yamuna water. Now Yamuna is a river in North India. So he had got the Yamuna water and he was walking all the way. In those days there was no Coromandel Express, etc. Close to Rameshwaram, it was a desert sand. And he found a donkey dying there of thirst. So Sant Ekanath said, "Now What should I do? I have water that can save the donkey's life. It was meant for Lord Shiv. So should I continue and give it to Lord Shiv? Or should I give it to the donkey? So he said, Lord Shiv resides in the donkey as well. Let me just offer it to the donkey and Lord Shiv will receive it. So he had traveled such a long way, but he offered the whole water to the donkey and then went to Rameshwar Bhagavan. So Sri Krishna says the sign of a devotee is that softness of the heart, Maitra, friendly and compassionate nature. And then he says Nirmamo. Nirmamo means freedom from attachment. Attachment is such a clinging thing of the mind that it robs you of all your freedom. It may be attachment in relationships, and the consequence of attachment, along with attachment comes the desire to control. Along with that comes expectations. So where there's attachment, now you have expectations. That person should behave like this, should not behave like this. I sent 4 WhatsApp messages, I did not even get one in return. So all these expectations have started. So that is why detachment frees up our own mind. It's just the willingness to release your mind from lower things so you can enable it to soar high. It's a contradiction. You are attaching for happiness, but it is preventing yourself from reaching higher goals. And that is why detachment in relationships, detachment from material goals. We try our best. It doesn't happen. Never mind, we will move on. But moment attachment happens, then the tension begins. Detachment from circumstances in life. Some people keep rotating the circumstances in their mind. This happened, why did it happen? So life is meant to be lived, not to be analyzed all the time. Otherwise, paralysis by analysis. An experience is over, finished, done. As the English poet had said, the past is over, finished, done, cast its phantom arms away. So release the past by detaching yourself. And ultimately, detachment from your own thoughts. Now this one is a little difficult because we have adopted our thoughts so closely, we don't realize the gap there. And we think, what I am thinking, this is what I am. Instead, create a little gap with your mind as well. I am not the mind. If the mind plays mischief, I will distance myself from the thought. That distance you create with your mind completely reduces its grip on you. Now the mind says, think of this, think of that. Hey, Maniram, I'm not interested. Detachment from your work. You have to work, of course. But so many people bring their work back home with them. So leave your work in the work and come back home a free person. So Sri Krishna says, my devotees who are detached. In the Bhagavatam he says, Nirapeksham munim shantam nirvairam samadarshanam anubrajamyaham nityam puyeye tyangrirenavi. He says to Uddhav, those devotees of mine who are neither hankering nor averse, who are rejoicing, completely detached in divine consciousness, I walk behind them. What does that mean? God in front and the devotee behind? No. God behind and the devotee in front. Why do you do that, my Lord? That I want the dust of their lotus feet to come and fall on me, so I may get purified. Now God is all pure, but his sentiment towards the devotee, he says, such devotees, their foot dust will purify me. The Lord Krishna says, those devotees who are detached, they are very dear to me.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Bhakti Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashi Bhagana Shri Kara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Ashrita Kalpaladika Ashrita Kalpaladika Apadvandava Om Jai Jagadish Hare Mata Pita Guru Devam Mariyantayunive Swami Mariyantayunive Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nagendra Shayana Om Jai Jagadish Hare Om Pararupa Jai Sai Mahadeva Satya Sai Mahadeva Mangala Arati Antuko Mangala Arati Antuko Mandara Giridhari Om Jai Jagadish Hare Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Satya Narayana Narayana Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Satya Narayana Narayana Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Satya Narayana Narayana Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadgurudeva Shanti 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 Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu Om Shanti 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 Jai Bolo Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba